According to Zechariah chapter 4 verse 10, do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin. Anong ibig sabihin? Yung mga small steps mo, yung konting progress, yung simpleng pagbangon araw-araw, nakikita yan ni God. Here's the last one. Hindi mo kailangan maging big agad para maging valuable. God celebrates your start, not just your success. So, what should you do? Don't quit just because it feels small. Post a video, start a dream, keep going. Kasi habang minamaliit mo yan, God is preparing something big for you. So today, keep showing up.